So the stock market just hit all-time highs today, but I think this marks a massive red flag in the stock market. Let me show you something that a lot of people are not looking at right now. Shout out to the Long Invest on X because he provided his community with this chart right here, and it is very important. So we got this red line right here, and that shows us the total stock market value, and this blue line right here shows us the total corporate earnings. However, we can see right here before 2020, they're basically moving together, which they're supposed to do. Basically, what's supposed to happen is that when companies make more money, the red line goes up, and then when companies make less money, the red line is supposed to go down. And remember, these lines are supposed to be together, but right now they are separate. And this gap right here is the largest that it's been since 2009. And if you go digging around the stock market right now, the average price to earnings is about 31.7. To put that simply, essentially, investors are paying double what they should be for a company of its current size. And what that means to us is that we are not at the start of a bull cycle. In fact, we are probably closer to the ending of one. And when you take a look into the Dow Jones, they have had 8 consecutive months of going upwards. That typically doesn't happen. That makes it the longest streak since 2019 and one of the largest streaks since 1950. And at the same time as all of this, the global debt is now at $346 trillion. That is the highest ever recorded. Now, am I basically saying the market is going to crash tomorrow? No, absolutely not. No one can really predict when a market is going to crash. But something I wouldn't be doing right now is chasing a stock when it's close to hitting all-time highs, because that means I have a lot more room to go downward. So something I would suggest is just being selective with what you're getting into. However, I'm not a financial advisor, and you could really go do whatever you want out there. But if you are looking for some undervalued stocks, I made a list of 10 stocks that I think can double this year. If you want that, along with my guidelines that show you if a stock is worth buying, just comment Discord below and I'll send it your way for free.